Hi everyone, I've just shown you the O-ring kit we've got. Golly, you're always looking for O-rings, you're dropping them or losing them or breaking them or blowing them. So here we have O-ring kit. Is I think the smallest is 3mm diameter and the largest is 50mm diameter, and the smallest the width of the O-ring is at 1.5. So it's both, this is metric, so let me just open there. So there we go, there you have it. You have all your O-rings that you need. You'll never be looking for an O-ring again. It's great. I use mine all the time. It's so useful. So yeah, and they're all oil resistant and they're suitable for diving equipment. It's so handy. You need to grab one. It is great. And they're really, they cost bugger all. I can't remember what the price is, but you see it on the website. Anyway, that's the O-ring kit. So come and grab one. You know where to go, www.kfd.com.au. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.